Okay, so today I will show you how to change the lead from one pipeline to another. So say for example, I am in this pipeline. I want to move this lead to another pipeline. So I will you have to just click on the pipeline. From here you will get all the this is my first active pipeline and stages. These are the another pipelines. Say for example, I want to move to the website leads. This is my another pipeline and this is the stage. And I have to just click on the save. So this will move to the another pipeline. Okay. This way you can move the leads. Now, say for example, if you want to move the multiple leads into the another pipeline, then you have to just search. Say for example, I want to move the only the incoming leads. Select. So this is selected. Now go to the list view. You can select all or you can select multiple select from the list view. Then go to the change stage and move to the change stage. From here you can select any other pipeline. So this is the test. This is the offset save. So here you can also change to the different pipeline different stage by selecting multiple leads.